Hi everyone, my name is Olivia and welcome back. Before we start, I want you to imagine something for a second. What if I told you that the reason you are always struggling with money is not because you don't earn enough, but because of a few hidden habits you repeat every single day without even realizing it? Habits that quietly drain your money, your confidence, and even your future. And the worst part is, most people never notice it until it's too late. Stay with me in this video because what I'm about to share can literally change the way you think about money forever. And if you apply even a few of these lessons, your financial life can start shifting in a direction you didn't think was possible. And if you enjoy content like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Smart Money Hub right now. Because here we break down real money habits, real life mistakes, and real solutions that actually help you build a better financial future. Also, comment down below after the video and tell me which habit shocked you the most. I really want to know your thoughts. Now let's be honest. Most people think being broke is about income. They say, if I just earn more, I would be fine. But the truth is, many people who earn more still struggle, and many people who earn less manage to save, invest, and grow. So what's the difference? It's behavior. It's daily decisions. It's the small things that don't feel important in the moment, but slowly build your financial reality. Let me start with something very simple. Every time you get money, your brain gets excited. You feel like you deserve a reward. So you spend a little here, a little there. Food delivery, small shopping, subscriptions you forgot about, random online deals that feel too good to miss. It doesn't feel like much in the moment, but this is where the problem starts. Because rich people don't think about money as something to spend first. They think about money as something to direct. They decide where every dollar goes before they even touch it. Poor habits do the opposite. They spend first, and then wonder what happened later. Another big habit that silently destroys people is emotional spending. You had a bad day, so you order something online. You feel stressed, so you buy something to feel better. You feel bored, so you scroll and shop. It feels harmless, but over time, this becomes a pattern. And that pattern becomes your financial personality. The truth is, money is not just math, it's emotions. And if you cannot control your emotions, your bank account will always suffer. Now let's talk about something even deeper. The idea of normal lifestyle. Many people don't even realize they are spending money just to look normal. Eating out because everyone is doing it. Buying clothes because trends changed. Upgrading phones not because they need it, but because others have it. This is one of the biggest traps in modern life. You are not just spending money anymore, you are trying to fit in. And fitting in is expensive. At this point, I want to pause and say something important. If you are watching this video and thinking, this sounds like me, don't feel bad. The goal is not guilt. The goal is awareness. Because once you see the pattern, you can break it. Now let's talk about another hidden habit. Ignoring small money leaks. People often focus on big expenses like rent or bills, but the real damage comes from small leaks. Subscriptions you don't use. Food orders that could have been avoided. Random purchases under small amounts that feel nothing. But when you add them together at the end of the month, they become a serious amount. Wealth is not only built by earning more, it is protected by stopping leaks. And here is something that might surprise you. A lot of people don't actually know where their money goes. They think they do, but they don't track it properly. They rely on memory, and memory is always wrong when emotions are involved. If you don't track your money will track you. In the wrong direction. Now let's slow down for a second because this is important. If you are finding value in this video so far, take 1 second, like this video, and subscribe to Smart Money Hub. It helps more people see this message. And it supports this kind of content, so we can keep improving and bringing you better videos every week. Alright, let's continue. Another major habit is thinking, I will start saving later. Later never comes. There is always a reason to delay saving. Next month, next job, next salary increase. But the truth is, saving is not about how much you earn. It is about discipline. Even small amounts saved consistently are more powerful than large amounts saved randomly. Now let's talk about comparison. One of the biggest silent killers of financial peace is comparing your life to others. Social media makes it worse. You see people traveling, buying things, living a lifestyle that looks perfect. But what you don't see is their debt, their pressure, their hidden struggles. When you compare your behind the scenes with someone else's highlight reel, you always feel behind. And that feeling pushes you into unnecessary spending just to catch up. Let me tell you something real. Rich people don't try to look rich. They try to become stable. And stability is quiet. It doesn't need attention. Another habit people don't notice is lack of planning. Most people plan vacations more than they plan their financial future. They know where they want to go for holiday, but they don't know where their money will be in 5 years. This is a dangerous imbalance. Because life will always demand money, but only planning makes sure you are ready. Now I want you to think about something personal for a moment. If your income stopped today, how long could you survive without stress? 1 month? 2 months? Or would everything collapse immediately? This question alone shows how strong or weak your financial habits are. And here is the truth many people don't want to hear. Financial freedom is not a dream. It is a system. It is built through habits, not luck. It is built through repetition, not motivation. Let's talk about another subtle habit. Ignoring learning. Many people want more money, but don't invest time in learning how money works. They spend hours on entertainment, but very little time understanding saving, investing, or budgeting. And then they wonder why nothing changes. In reality, your income rarely grows beyond your knowledge level. Now slowly, I want you to start connecting all of this. Emotional spending, comparison, lack of tracking, ignoring small leaks, no planning, delayed saving. These are not separate problems. They are connected patterns. And when patterns repeat, they create your financial identity. But here is the good news. Identities can change. You are not stuck. You are just repeating behaviors you never questioned before. If you are still watching, I want you to do something small but powerful. Go to the comment section and write one habit you recognize in yourself from this video. Be honest, because awareness is the first step to change. And also share this video with someone you care about, because someone in your circle probably needs to hear this more than you think. Now, as we come close to the end, I want to leave you with this thought. Money is not just about earning. It is about controlling direction. Every dollar is a decision. Every decision builds a result. And every result builds your life. So the real question is not how much you earn. The real question is, how do you behave with what you already have? Thank you for watching this episode on Smart Money Hub. My name is Olivia, and I hope this video made you think differently.